Alright, I'm going to go over how to install or how to set up the navigation menus. So by default, when you install the theme, this area up here will be blank, as will be your footer menu. So let's go ahead and go into our dashboard, set those up. So you go to Appearance and Menus, and by default, you can just create a new menu. So let's go and either click Create a New Menu or just start typing in your menu name. So I'm going to call the first one Main Navigation since that's what it will be. You can use whatever naming convention you want. Just note that you'll have to reference it later on. So you can just start adding pages. So if we go to View All, we can just add in a couple quick pages. Save that menu. And if you visit your home page, the menu still hasn't shown up. That's just because there's one quick step left, and that's under Manage Locations. So if we go under Manage Locations, you'll see there's actually 3 menu options. The one we're looking for is Primary Menu, so that'll be Main Navigation, and we can save that. So now we have our items showing up. If we go back to edit that menu, we can add in some more pages. You can rearrange by dragging and dropping. You can click this down arrow for additional options and remove items if you need to. And then if you want to have portfolio as an option, under screen options, you'll need to set that up by clicking on portfolio categories. Then they'll show up down here. So for instance, if you wanted to link, like in our live preview, to all the portfolio options, you can just add them in. And if you wanted to, for instance, make that a drop-down menu, all you have to do is just drag the item that you want in the drop-down menu to the right, and it will indent. You can see that indenting, and save that menu, and we can have that drop down. So pretty cool stuff for the menu. Let's go over how to create the footer menu. So if you want to create more menus, you can create a menu, call that one Footer Navigation. We can again add some quick pages, save the menu, and then under Manage Locations, we'll want to set up the footer navigation. So once we've done that, we can refresh the page, and our footer menu is set up. Now, you'll notice there's actually a third menu up here, and that actually displays up in the top left. So we didn't show that in the live preview because we already had buttons up there. But let's say you didn't want any text up here. Let's go ahead and just remove that option. All right, so once we remove that option, we can add in a menu on the top left. So let's go ahead and add a menu and call this Header Top Menu. And let's add in a couple quick pages again. Save that menu, and under Manage Locations, you can add in the Header Top Menu. So Header Top Menu for Header Top Menu, and you've got yourself a little menu on the top. So that's how to set up the different navigation areas. There's 3, and of course, if you don't want to use one, you can always just deselect it, and the menu will disappear. So of course, you don't have to use all of them, but that is how you can create a ton of menus.